Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to completely remove and completely uninstall the CRM or contacts plugin from your Redmine. Okay, before start, you have to open your command line or terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt and T. Okay. So I'm going to zoom it a little bit so it will be easier for you to see it. Okay, now you have to change the directory to your home, to your core Redmine folder, which in my case is Redmine 5. And now the first step and command that you have to execute is to downgrade the database for the contacts plugin. Contacts and CRM is the same thing. Okay, so it is going to be done with command bundle exec rake redmine plugins name. Into the name section, it is very important here to set the name of the plugin you are trying to uninstall. In our case, it is Redmine Contacts. Okay, so we continue. Version 0 Rails Env production. Okay, so yeah, we see the downgrading process is in progress and it is now done. Okay, so the second step is that you have to remove the plugins folder itself. So as being into the core Redmine folder, you have to just execute remove forcibly and recursively Redmine contacts. Okay, so we could double check when you go to plugins folder and list the plugins, we will see that the Redmine contacts is no more appearing. Okay, so the last step is that you have to restart your Redmine with the command touch temporary restart point txt. So let's go back to our Redmine and see if we have done the job successfully. So we refresh the page and wait until Redmine starts and see if the CRM is going to disappear. Alright, we see that the CRM has just disappeared. So we have done our job successfully. We have removed the contacts plugin from our Redmine. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then you could check some other articles and videos into our documentation. Thank you very much for watching it, and bye bye for now.